Hello all, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to Lakshmi's Beautiful World. Today I'm going to present a video on SGB, which means Sovereign Gold Bond. I guess until now you watched many videos where most of the videos will let you know that SGB is the best way to invest in buying gold. What if I say that SGB is not a good way to invest in gold for a particular category of people? So, in this video, I'll let you know who should invest in SGB and who should not, and what would be the pros and cons of it. Before getting into the video, I would like to explain you briefly about sovereign gold bonds and how they would differ from other forms of investment in gold. SGBs are issued by RBI on behalf of Government of India, in which we get 2.5% annual interest plus principal amount back. And many of the people will say that SGBs are 100% safe and secure. Why? Because our money is with RBI, which is the most secure place because there is almost zero probability of the amount getting default. But there are other ways in investing in gold, so let's get to know other forms where we can invest. So we have 5 options in investing in gold. First one would be purchasing physical gold, second would be digital gold, third would be gold ETF, fourth would be gold mutual funds and the SGBs. If in case you are going to opt in purchasing for physical gold, then there are 3 major costs that are getting incurred. First, while you're purchasing, there would be a GST of 3%, and once you get the gold, you want to secure it in safe place where you would be opting for a bank locker, which would charge you around 2 to 3%. And if you in case you want to sell it back, then they would be making charges around 5 to 10%. So these are the 3 major charges that are getting incurred if you're gonna opt for physical gold. If in case you are investing in digital gold, there is no making charges, there is no storage cost, but buying and selling price would differ around 2 to 3% with compared to the market price, and so overall 6% range of costs that are getting incurred if you're gonna opt for digital gold. And same as in the physical gold, digital gold also has GST of 3%. So overall it would cost you around 9% if you're opting for digital gold. So if you want to opt for gold ETF, there would be only expense ratio which you have to pay, which would cost you around 0.5 to 1%, and there would be annual demat charges that would cost you around 200 to 300. Overall it would charge you around 2%, so it's actually much way better than the physical gold and the digital gold. So coming to gold mutual funds, it is as similar as gold ETF. There would be only expense ratio that you have to pay, and there are no other charges that you have to pay for gold mutual funds. So let's see what exactly now SGBs are. We would be getting around 2.5% of annual interest for the investment and also the principal amount. The second benefit would be there would be no capital gain tax that would be charged on you if you are going to hold these SGBs for 5 years, and it's a good thing. But after looking after these benefits, everyone would be thinking it's the best way to invest, right? So there are few problems where you need to check over if you could take those risks or not. So let's get into the risks if you are going to purchase SGBs. So if in case you want to sell your SGB before 5 years, then there is only one option where you could sell this SGB, that is in stock exchange. So if in case for buying and selling, the liquidity should be good in stock exchange market, wherein we need to have good number of buyers and sellers where trading happens very frequently. But when compared to SGBs, it shows very poor liquidity ratio. So if in case you want to sell your bond in stock exchange market before 5 years, then that would be difficult option for you to sell your bonds. If it is a long-term investment for your bonds, that's completely fine for going with SGB. But if in case you need the amount prior to 5 years bond, for sure you need to rethink twice before getting into this SGBs. So At the end of this video, I would like to conclude, if in case you are investing your amount for long-term purpose, then for sure go with SGBs, where it is extremely good with zero cost incurring. But if in case you want it prior for any occasions, if you want to purchase some gold for some occasions or anything, any other purposes like that, then for sure prefer purchasing a physical gold or the digital gold. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.